Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about chicken. Chicken is one of the most widely consumed protein sources globally. Its popularity stems from its affordability, versatility, and high protein content. Whether it's grilled, baked, or added to soups and salads, chicken finds its way into countless meals. The nutritional components of chicken will vary depending on the cut you're eating. For instance, dark meat contains more calories per ounce than white meat. Keeping the skin on will also add more total fat, including saturated fat. Good cooking starts with safe food practices. After purchasing chicken, make sure you refrigerate it within 2 hours. Let's get started. Number 1. Chicken is a good source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and for a healthy immune system. A chicken breast is a great source of quality protein for a modest number of calories and a small amount of fat. More important, it has especially little saturated fat, the type that's linked with higher cholesterol levels and heart disease. A 3-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast provides about 26 grams of protein. Number 2, chicken is a good source of vitamins and minerals. It is a great source of vitamin B6, which helps with brain development and immune function. Chicken also offers other important vitamins and minerals. For instance, its vitamin B6 content aids in brain function and energy metabolism, while zinc supports immune health. Dark meat such as chicken thighs provides more iron and riboflavin, which are essential for oxygen transport and cellular energy. It is also a good source of selenium, which is an antioxidant that protects against cell damage. 3. Chicken is low in fat and calories. Chicken is a lean, high-protein powerhouse, perfect for anyone aiming to lose weight, especially in its skinless, grilled, or baked form. Chicken breast delivers maximum nutrition with minimal calories, about 165 calories, and 31 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. That protein helps curb hunger, supports muscle, and boosts metabolism. Plus, it's rich in nutrients like niacin and B vitamins, which aid energy production. The key is keeping it clean. Avoid frying or heavy sauces. With smart prep, chicken can be a flavorful, satisfying ally in your weight loss journey. This makes it a good option for people who are trying to lose weight or improve their overall health. Number 4. Chicken is high in niacin. Niacin is a B vitamin that helps with energy metabolism. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. A 3-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast provides about 7 milligrams of niacin, which is 35% of the recommended daily intake. 5. Chicken is high in phosphorus. Phosphorus is a mineral that helps with bone health and energy metabolism. It also helps to regulate blood pH levels. A 3-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast provides about 190 milligrams of phosphorus, which is 19% of the recommended daily intake. Number 6. Chicken is high in potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps with muscle function, nerve function, and fluid balance in the body. It also helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. A 3-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast provides about 198 milligrams of potassium, which is 4% of the recommended daily intake. Number 7. Chicken is a complete protein. This means that it contains all of the essential amino acids that the body needs. It is a great option for vegetarians and vegans, as it is one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein. Number 8. Chicken is easy to prepare. It can be grilled, baked, roasted, or fried. It is also versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. Number 9. Chicken is affordable. It is a relatively inexpensive source of protein, which makes it accessible to people with limited budgets. Number 10. Chicken is a sustainable food source. Chickens are efficient at converting feed into meat, meaning that they require less resources to produce than other animals. They also have a low carbon footprint, making them an environmentally friendly option. And there you have it. 10 healthy facts about chickens. Do you know any others? Feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.